Hello guys, so today I am in Ghatkopar and as Independence Day is approaching, we're gonna ask people something about our nation. Let's see what's their reaction. What is your name?
My name is Ria Ghat.
Okay. Hi Ria, I'm Akash. And as we both know, Independence Day is coming on this Friday. So what is the one thing that you love about this country? And what is the one thing that you absolutely hate about this country?
I love this country only. And second thing, I just hate this kind of politics is happening in around.
What I love about the country is the army for sure, and what I hate is the politics. People run their politics, they drag religion things in.
I love the diversity, no doubt about it. And what I don't like is a lack of alignment sometimes. I mean, I understand that diversity comes with lack of alignment, but lack of alignment gets frustrating at times.
There's a lot of bonding that you have in India between different cultures and different backgrounds. Something that I dislike, especially of late, is the amount of pollution that's there, and the traffic that's getting, and obviously the roads aren't that great. So
loving about this country is like it's my country. I'm ready to do anything for it. I won't say the bad thing. We need to change basically. You should really change your mind and don't take anything granted. Like please, because यहाँ पे कुछ भी free नहीं आया हुआ है. Our freedom fighters have fought for the country, and you have to understand you belong to this country. You have to give something to this country also.
People shouldn't take things for granted.
Don't take anything for granted. So please, that would be my request to my all fellow Indians.
यहाँ पे जो अपने को फ्रीडम है वो कहीं पे भी नहीं है. खाना, फूड, घूमना, नाइट लाइफ, रात को घूमने में भी कोई परेशानी नहीं है.
100%.
वुमन हो या गर्ल्स हो, उनको रात को घूमने में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, राइट. और हेट का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. हेट तो क्या क्रिएट होता है, अभी कभी कभी इलेक्शन आ जाता है तो वो हेट क्रिएट हो जाता है. बाकी जनरली हेट जैसा कुछ है नहीं. जस्ट इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड सम गुन्स या सम जो भी है पॉलिटिशियंस वो क्रिएट करते हैं, दूसरा कुछ है नहीं.